Duracell 8 says the 54-inch tubs suck.
Yes. In order to change those 54-inch tubs, which I have many times done, quite often you have to move a wall. In order to do that, that could change, make an indentation in the bedroom next to it, where you have to go in and then out. What I have done before is change, instead of the tub running against the outside wall, change it where it's heading toward the doorway, and put it on the toilet side, move the toilet over to the other side, make it where I could have a 60-inch tub and take out, you know, and that means redoing the bathroom quite a bit, but it makes a huge difference. The factory tubs are shallow, they're made of plastic, and if somebody weighs over 300 pounds, it won't hold up. It will break. So whenever you replace it, even if you replace the 54-inch tubs, you might want to, well, you should go to the fiberglass replacement. That will hold up to whatever weight, and it will survive even if the water gets underneath the tub, whereas if a plastic tub gets water on the floor and the floor starts giving out, that plastic tub will collapse and break. So.
Okay.